Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Chrysler Town and Country spare tire. First, gather your spare tire tools, typically found in a compartment inside the vehicle. Next, locate the small access hole at the rear of your minivan, usually near the bumper. Carefully remove the plastic cap that covers this access point. This step prepares you for the next stage of lowering the tire safely and efficiently. Now, take your lug wrench and insert it firmly into the access hole you just uncovered. Begin turning the wrench counterclockwise. You'll notice the spare tire slowly lowering from underneath the vehicle. Keep turning until the tire is completely on the ground and the cable is slack. This ensures the tire is free from its mounting mechanism and ready for removal. With the spare tire resting on the ground, you'll see a retainer plate holding it in place. Carefully slide this plate through the center of the wheel. Once the plate is free, you can pull the spare tire out from underneath your Chrysler Town and Country. Make sure the cable is completely disengaged from the wheel before moving the tire away from the vehicle. This ensures a smooth and safe removal process. After removing the flat tire, place it where the spare tire was located. Insert the retainer plate through the center of the flat tire. Then, use your lug wrench to turn clockwise, raising the tire back into its storage position. Ensure it's securely stowed. Finally, replace the plastic cap over the access hole and store all your tools back in their designated spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.